Hi everyone, I'm Smarty. Welcome back to this channel. I really thank all of you guys who are associated with me through this channel, and I wish that you learn so much from this channel, that you help others also to grow and to learn more about interview tips, project management, and Excel tutorials that I am making. So today I am going to show you a very simple option, which is Smart Art. This option is generally used in presentations. So whenever you have to present certain dashboards or make presentations for senior leadership or someone or your stakeholders, and then you have to put some data from the Excel to the PowerPoint, and you only are left with one option to just copy the data or the pivot or the dashboard or pictures onto presentation. But in this version of Excel, it becomes so easy to use Smart Art, which is a kind of graphs or list of processes. So in order to do that, let's go to insert option in your Excel. Go to insert option and you see this option called illustrations. If you click on this arrow, you have several options here. You can insert a picture, you can insert certain shapes, and then type on top of those shapes to make it visually presentable. You can add certain icons. If you click on icons, it will take you to library, a stock images library. You can click on any one of these and then insert it here into your Excel spreadsheet, which will make it look really good. You can add 3D models. Either if you have something on this device, you can certainly take it from the device and then insert it into the sheet, or you can take 3D stock model images like this one and then insert it. So I am talking about this option called Smart Art. So if you use Smart Art, let me close this first. If you use Smart Art, then you have an option like presentations, like you have option to insert lists, and there are various types of lists available where you can put some header and then have a drop down list kind of thing, or you can have this pyramid structure, this kind of structure. So there are several options available for presenting it in the form of list. If you are just presenting some process, you can click here and make a process where you want to show the growth in something. Say this one, I clicked on this process excuse me, and then you can type in certain text here. Maybe this was your step 1 in the process, this was your step 2, this was your step 3 in the process. So like this, you can insert any sort of charts or processes here, and then you can format it. You have option to format it, look it even more better and visual representation. You can choose any of these options from here in the formatting and make it look good. So similarly, you can add different designs in Smart Art. You can convert it into different shapes as well. You do have an option to add certain shapes here, or remove certain shapes here, reset the whole graphics. So if you go back to the same option here, let's go to illustration again and go to Smart Art. You see there are options for making these process charts like this. So it will make your life so much easier if you knew this option earlier. Similarly, you have an option for cycle. If you are trying to show certain life cycle, you can use this kind of chart. If you are trying to show hierarchical representation in the leadership, if you're building the organization structure, you can use this chart. If you're building relationship structure, you can use these charts. If you have a matrix kind of representation, then you can use this chart and show your say risks and risks in this chart. You can use the pyramid chart and obviously the picture chart. In picture chart, you have an option to insert pictures. For example, if you select any of these options, say I select this, then this small option which is a picture option is there. You click on it and then it can ask you to insert certain picture. Say I insert this picture and this is how it will look. So you can have a pictorial representation as well. So do use this feature, and if you have any questions related to this, make sure that you put your questions in comments down below, and I will come back on Monday again with another Excel tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.